This is our solar string EL tester and defect detector. This machine is equipped with four 8mm high-quality infrared cameras, ensuring that defects in solar string batteries are nowhere to hide. The machine conducts inspections at both ends A and B of the battery string, ensuring precise and comprehensive detection results. Simple operation and two monitors can intuitively display the detection results and making it clear at a glance. If you are interested in our products, just contact with us.